Welcome to Management 4730, 6730, Business Systems Analysis and Design. My name is Ken Walsh, and I'll be your instructor. First, let me apologize. We've had a couple of glitches with video production and with getting accounts correct on Moodle. So for the time being, until we get all that straightened out, I won't enforce the late penalty rules, but do your best at least keeping up with the reading, and then when we get things all straightened out, things will go smoother probably next week. So let's get started. The purpose of this course is to look at the methodologies for developing information systems that help organizations succeed. This turns out to be an interesting challenge in practice because real business processes may be complex, computer systems may be complex, and it's difficult for the technical staff and the business line staff to articulate how a new system should work. The methods used in this course give a process for bringing ideas for a new system into focus and developing in a way that ultimately makes the business more successful. Let me tell you a little bit about my background. I've been in the IT area for my entire career. My undergraduate degree is in computer systems engineering. I have an MBA and a master's and a PhD in MIS. Before entering academia, I was a senior systems analyst for Exxon, and I helped develop large-scale database applications for oil production. So we did things like we recorded the instruments that measured the flow rates of the oil wells, and we recorded that information. We displayed reports and graphs for the petroleum engineers to look at and analyze, and from that they would design what's called a workover, which is a type of maintenance on an oil well, and they would enter that into the database, and the field crew would read the workover description, do the workover, and report back through the database. So that's kind of the kind of area most of my professional experience has been in. So getting back to the course, this year's revision is really exciting because we work with local IT firms and government agencies to revise the curriculum and bring in some of the latest techniques in systems development. So this year we will learn newer agile methodologies in addition to the traditional systems development life cycle, and we'll contrast some of the strengths that each approach has. In particular, we'll learn the agile methodology Scrum. Okay? So as far as the course goes, we'll really have two halves to the course, and they'll be organized differently. The first half of the course will follow the textbook fairly closely. We'll have weekly assignments and quizzes. Each week I will post a video highlighting the week's reading material. The first half of the course will be tested with an in-class midterm closed book exam. So even though this is an online class, we'll have a face-to-face exam, and the date and time for that you can find in the syllabus. The second half of the semester, we will be developing a group project using the Agile methodology Scrum. So for that half of the course, the project deliverables and the software will be used for grading, and there is no final exam. Let's see. Note that homework assignments need to be turned in on time to receive full credit. Again, I won't enforce the late policy, so everything's running smoothly. Usually I make the due dates Friday because I think that's a convenient way to end your week. The video will be out early in the week. You can do your homework assignment and take the weekend off. But I won't take late points off until Sunday at midnight. So if you are falling a little behind and need the weekend to catch up, you won't lose any points for that. But I kind of like the flow of the course to finish up on Fridays and have you take your weekend off if that's possible. The complete syllabus is posted to Moodle. Having a Moodle account is important for this class. Homework assignments will be added to Moodle shortly. So what you'll see in Moodle under assignments is a place to upload usually a Word file that has your homework assignment, or possibly a different type of file. So look for a Chapter 1 video on Monday. And welcome to Business Systems Analysis and Design. I think it's going to be a great semester through the new Scrum methodology, and I look forward to communicating with you online. Thanks.